Good morning. Good morning. Guess where we gonna go today? Xcaret. Ready?
So I'm ready.
We are making ourselves ready. Cataleya, she's almost brushed after half an hour of brushing her hair because she has such a, I don't know how to say, fine hair. So if you know any tips about what to use on her hair to brush her hair easy, let me know.
I'm watching this.
This is the best I can, as I never had long hair growing up, so I don't know how to braid, but yeah, that's good enough. You look pretty, ¿verdad? So we are ready to go. So we're gonna go to Xcaret Park. We have a membership because we are we have a temporary residency. So we got the membership. They give us these 2 cards from Xcaret, and I think it costs around 3,000 pesos for adults and half of the price for children for 1-year membership, right? But this we can only get it because we had the residency here. So first we're gonna go get some something to eat because we didn't have breakfast. Hola. Buenos días. You can see they have all kind of yummy stuff. Gracias.
No, nada, no, se me fue la llamada. Estoy aquí.
I got myself a coffee. And my daughter, she got a donut with cream inside. It's tasty. And a bottle of water. And we're enjoying our breakfast. Well, I'm European, so my breakfast is coffee. So now we're gonna go look for a taxi. So from where we are, which is Centro area, downtown, a taxi shouldn't cost more than 400 pesos to Xcaret.
So we are to Xcaret.
We are at Xcaret.
At Xcaret. One day in my school, we read one book of this.
About this, yeah?
About
They're so pretty.
Ya vamos a la playa, vamos.
Ay, qué bonitos, mira. And on the and this one she has the bracelet. Wait, I can say something and I think she can say it, no?
I don't know. I don't think so. Say hello.
Hello.
They don't want to talk.
I'm gonna go there.
Okay, you gonna walk there?
Wait,
No, this is the entrance. Give me
wait.
your hand.
This is? Oh no, I'm so scared.
So this is only exit. This is entrance.
Oh no, I'm so scared. We are to the tunnel.
Cataleya, let me go first. No, that way.
Wait,
Okay.
no, I want to go. Wait.
Manita. So, ruta de Río, ruta Pueblo Maya, ruta México espectacular. So let's go to ruta del Pueblo Maya de Río.
Mommy, we are now.
Look, it says you are here, so we are here. Hola. Oh, look, they have the caves here, the cemetery, the butterfly pavilion, and the Mayan Village. Wow. We're gonna go to all of them. Come.
To all?
Yes.
Oh my god. Wait. Level Maya. Level Maya.
Yes, mommy.
Maya. Okay. We can go to there. We can go there. Where is it?
This way.
Oh wait, I remember this. And it's so fun. I like it. And now we are gonna show you how live the Maya.
How they used to live, the Mayans.
Ah, yes, yes.
How the Mayans used to live. Oh, we are in a cave now.
Wait. Because there go. I think we can.
We just follow this line.
Yeah.
You know?
We need to follow this
I'm
line.
sorry.
Let's go faster.
Just don't run, mommy.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Look, mommy. Come, let's see this. Come.
It's there. Here.
Cataleya.
So we are here.
Where are we?
The
Pueblo Maya.
welcome.
This way,
it's
mommy.
there, no?
Come, give me your hand.
We are here. I'm so excited. Look, this is so beautiful.
Yay! Okay, we can go back up now. But this is. Pero es cuando estás en la agua. Oh. Yeah.
Cataleya.
Wow, they had bikes back then? Oh my god.
There? So this no?
If I jump, nobody can see where I need to be.
I can sit here.
Yes, mommy.
Here? Yes?
No, that's not a chair, mommy.
Patty is so.
I don't know what it is.
Panda is a chair.
Look, what they used to use to cook.
And this is the clothes.
Hmm?
I like it.
Oh.
What is this?
¿Qué se escucha, mami?
What is this? I like. Look, I can eat one. Wait, I can eat one and.
Órale para el que está ahí en la casa. Para llevarle a su compañero.
Wow. That's what we got scared of before. Gracias.
Here is.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. It's here or there?
It's here, mommy.
I think it's here. I'm a little bit scared.
No,
can't
don't be
just-
scared.
It's here.
Mm-hmm.
I remember.
Wasn't? Wait a second.
It's heavier. It's heavier.